Hi! So this is our KEVIN.MURPHY Smooth Again. This is a leave-in smoothing treatment. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you suffer with frizz and you just want to give those ends nice tame and nice control, it's absolutely beautiful. We use this on all hair types in the salon. So although people think, oh, smoothing, I don't want it to be too heavy, it's really not heavy at all. It's actually quite light. If you have a little look, it's got a very light creamy consistency, and you can see that that's breaking down into a nice light sort of sheen. So you just need the size of a 5p piece if your hair's fine, and if you've got super thick hair and super long, maybe the size of a sort of 20p piece. But as soon as you take that into your hands, you can see it just turns into a light glossy, hydrating, smoothing treatment for your hair. Put this in wet and it will really help to control that for you, and the smell is beautiful. So I hope you love it as much as we do and enjoy.